Hey everyone, this is Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. I'm going to show you what you need to do to install the Fortnite Android beta right now and start playing on your device. Here I'm playing on a Galaxy S9, and you can install this and start playing on Samsung devices as well as other Android devices. I'm going to show you what you need to do. It's a little bit more complex than you might be used to, but it's pretty easy overall. Check your email after you sign up and then go ahead and tap on Get Started. That's going to launch Fortnite Battle Royale installer. And so instead of getting it through Google Play, you're gonna get this through your web browser. So tap on Get Started, and then you can choose where you wanna download it, either from Epic Games or from Samsung. I'm on a Samsung device, so I'm gonna tap on Samsung. And in this case, I can download this installer right here. This is just the installer, so it's a quick download, and then I'm gonna tap Open. In this case, I don't have to change any of my security settings or anything like that, but I'm gonna have to say yes to storage, and yes to allowing this to make some changes. So now we're downloading the actual game, and this will take a little bit. It all depends how fast your connection is. I'm on a pretty speedy Wi-Fi connection right now, so it's going pretty quickly. You can see some of the information about the game. You can tap on technical details to see the requirements. If you're on a Samsung device, you need a Galaxy S7 or newer, or the Tab S3 or Tab S4. If you choose to install from Epic Games, you'll get a prompt, and you might see a message that this type of file can harm your device. If you know you're at the right place, you can go ahead and hit OK. If you got the link from somewhere other than this official email, be wary. So once I hit OK, I'm going to go ahead and hit Open. And now it's going to tell me that my phone's set up not to allow me to install unknown apps. I need to change that. So I'm going to go to Settings, and I'm going to have to say Allow from this source. Then go back, and now I can install, and that's going to download the Fortnite installer, and then from there it's the same as using the installer from the Samsung store. When you're done, you're going to want to go back in settings and turn that off. All right, so once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and hit launch, and that will open up Fortnite for Android. And right now, there may be a wait after you install it, because right now you're just pre-installing this. So we also have to download more. So again, we're gonna download 1.88 gigabytes. So you're gonna need a fast internet connection, and you're gonna need plenty of time. So we'll come back and take a look at this once it's installed. Once you get it set up, you can say if you wanna create a new account or if you wanna find your account. If you say yes, find my account, you're going to have to choose where your account is and then go ahead and log in to that account. After you get Fortnite installed and get logged in, choose how you want to fire. Do you want auto fire, tap anywhere, or a dedicated button, or custom? You can tap on the one that you want and go ahead and hit select. And then you can always change that later. Once you get in, you can read more about what's going on with the season pass. And if you're in, you can go ahead and hit play, and it's gonna start matchmaking and take us right into a Fortnite game. You can see I've already played before on another device, so I've been brought in at my current level with my current gear. That's really all you need to do to get Fortnite installed on your Android device. Thanks for watching. You can check out more at GottaBeMobile.com, and there's some links down in the description below that will help you get the Android Fortnite beta installed right now.